Hello everyone, my name is Sefti Yanti and my student number is 07041182227132 and this is my partner.
Hello, my name is Elvira Yulyani and my student number is 01031382227153.
Today we are going to talk about Pisces 6, which discuss how astronomers use photography in the past and how modern technology has changed the way they observe space. Hey, I just finished reading the astronomy text. It was actually pretty interesting.
Yeah, same. I didn't expect that part about glass plates.
I know, right? I took they use modern cameras from the start.
Same here. Turned out they use glass plates to take pictures.
And those plates could keep the data for a long time.
Yeah, so astronomers could check the same data again later.
I also read that the plates were really stable.
Right, they don't bend easy, so the results stay accurate.
But even with that, I still had some disadvantages, right?
Yeah, they didn't capture light very well, so the picture could look too dark.
So they needed more light to make the image clearer.
Exactly, that's why they had to wait longer to get a clear picture, especially for faint objects in space.
That must have taken a lot of time.
Yeah, and it's made the whole process slower compared to now.
But I guess it was still useful back then.
Yeah, especially because it could capture a wide area in one shot.
So one picture could already show a lot.
Exactly, especially when they use wide-field telescopes.
But now it's different. They don't really use those plates anymore.
Yeah, now they use more advanced telescopes like radio and X-ray.
I read that they don't really see things directly. They just turn the data into image.
Yeah, so basically, the computer helps show what's actually happening in space.
So the results are easier to understand now.
Yeah, especially since the images are clear and the data is easier to store and check again.
So that process of improving the image is important too.
Yeah, that's what they call image processing, and it helps make the picture clearer and easier to study.
I also like the part about false color. It's interesting how they use colors that aren't actually real.
Yeah, at first I thought those colors were just for display.
But it turns out they use these colors to show things like energy or X-rays that we cannot normally see.
Right, so those colors help us understand what's happening with stars and other objects in space, even if we can't see them directly.
That makes astronomy feel more interesting.
Yeah, and also easier to understand than before. That's all for our discussion about passage. Thank you for watching, and we hope this explanation helps you understand the topic better.